Hi, in this section we will learn about the functions. Functions is a self-contained block of statement that it is performing a task when it wants. There is the types of function that we are going to be using. One is library function, another one is user-defined function. For now, just we will discuss about the user-defined functions. So user-defined functions, these functions is going to be created as a programmer or otherwise user, those who are performing a task or otherwise those who are creating a functions in the code. So let's talk about the function declaration, how we are going to be writing in C++ programming, and then after that definition and the how we are going to be calling a function. As you can observe here, there is a syntax that we are going to be for declare a function. First you need to declare a return type, and then after that function name, and then after that you need to declare a data type and the data type like this. This is the way that we are going to be using the function declaration part. And then after that, coming to the definition part, first you need to mention the return type, and the after that you need to declare a function name, and then after that you need to use data type and the parameter and the data type and the parameter. Suppose just I'm going to be creating one function definition by using the int a, and the data type that I'm going to be entering in form of the integer a1 and integer a2. So this is the kind of the function definition that we are going to be using, and inside the body of the function you can pass the several statements as well. So don't worry, these things have function declaration, function definition, and how to call the function. Just we will move to the practical part, and then we will see how the function topic is going to be working. Here there is one more topic that we mentioned here, function prototype. A prototype statement helps the compiler to check the return type and the argument types of the function. Here a prototype function consists the function return type and the name and the argument list as well. So here just I mentioned one of the things that you mentioned over here, int sum of int x and int y. So int is the return type that we are going to be using, and the sum is the function name that we are going to be declared, and then after that parameter that we used over here, int x and y. These are the parameters that we are going to be using. So these are the function type prototype. These things also that we can discuss in the practical part, how the function prototype we are going to be using, and several kind of the things that in further slide that we are going to be discussing. Also function overloading, how we are going to be using the function overloading, what is this function overloading as well. So let's, without wasting any time, let's move to the Dev C++, and then we will see how we need to declare a function, how we are going to be using the functions.